This message is being broadcasted by NASA Space Station at 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Multiple UFOs have struck the moon. Some of these UFOs have missed the moon and are now orbiting Earth. As of 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the moon has begun to glow bright red as it is being reported from all over the world. This broadcast will now relay instructions to keep you and your loved ones safe. Do not go outside. Lock all doors and windows. Lock yourself in a room with no windows. Cover your ears. Keep your eyes shut. Make yourself as small as possible by going into a fetal position. Do not open the door for anyone. If you have pets outside, leave them. Look at the moon. Look at the moon.
Look at the moon. Look at the moon.
Don't look at the night sky. Ignore all outside noises. Do not look into mirrors.